Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best commercial walk behind mower that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Greenworks Electric Commercial Walk Behind Mowers. This Greenworks Electric corded mower is perfect for an average residential lawn, explained one of the approximately 8,000 Amazon reviewers, adding that this machine is lightweight, with plenty of power and torque for overgrown lawns. Featuring 3-in-1 capabilities, including mulching, side release or bagger capacities, and 7 different height settings, this electric 12-amp mower is a top choice in terms of overall functionality. The handle also folds for compact storage in smaller spaces. Be sure to purchase the right size extension cord. A 100-foot cord, like this highly rated Amazon Basics outdoor one, can handle navigating most small to medium yards. Moving on at number 4, we have the Worx Walk Behind Mower. With 40 volts of power, the dual battery-operated cordless Worx Walk Behind Mower and mulcher can cut up to 1/8 acre on one charge. The small 14-inch cutting deck size and its lightweight plan make it the perfect mower for maneuvering around different landscaping features. Its 6 different heights allow for a full range of landscaping designs, and its innovative IntelliCut option provides more power at the switch of a dial to cut thicker grass and makes it stand out from other mowers on the market. A helpful battery life display takes the guesswork out of wondering if you have enough charge to finish your lawn, and a dual-port charger to maximize charging time is also included. In addition, the convenient bag meter lets you know when the container needs to be changed. One happy customer wrote, "It will chew through 6-inch wet grass and mulch it right up with no issues. I haven't had any situation that the economy mode can't handle." At number 3, we have the Greenworks Walk Behind Lawnmower. Using Greenworks cordless commercial mower to cut your lawn means no more worrying about shredding up the cord. The Smart Cut technology automatically increases or decreases power, depending on the thickness of your grass, and it's so quiet, you can even cut your lawn at night. Both batteries provide a total of 40 volts per charge, and one purchaser described it as a capable cordless electric lawn mower, with plenty of battery life to mow my 2/3 acre yard on a single charge. I have a sloped yard, and the mower is so light that it is easy to push uphill. At number 2, we have the Makita Brushless 18 inches Lawn Mower Kit. As far as commercial walk-behind mowers go, Makita's kit is a great choice if power and longevity are top priorities. The set comes with 4 4 Henry's batteries, but 5 Henry's batteries can be purchased in a separate kit for a longer run time, allowing an ample source of power for one job. The walk-behind mower is equipped with a brushless motor and steel deck to keep it working for years, too. While most lawnmowers aren't silent tools by any means, this one also has a quiet mode that reduces the ruckus. I had my doubts, but after a month of usage I am now convinced in the Makita line of battery-operated lawn tools, wrote one reviewer. Mower is so quiet yet not lacking an ounce of power. I managed to cut, trim, and blow about a ½ acre of lawn on one set of fully charged batteries. And finally at number 1, we have the LawnMaster electric lawnmower. Adjustable height, a steel blade, and ringing in at 32 pounds. This lightweight lawn mower from LawnMaster is a worthy replacement for the smell and noise that come with a gas-powered push mower. Heavy doesn't necessarily equate to heavy duty either. This mower is light but can still tackle tall grass and larger lawns with ease. Reviewers noted that it's best to get an extension cord to use along with the mower, too. It's also a more sustainable option in terms of power sources. I was looking for another self-propelled lawnmower, which this is not, but it is so comparatively light that it doesn't matter. In fact, it seemed lighter to use than my vacuum cleaner, which has suction to the carpet, wrote a customer. I used it on mulch mode, and it did just fine. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.